We're going to do is a squat with rotational uppercut. We're also going to put a switch curl in there as well. So we're going to do our squat. So start with the feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. So one hand is over the top, so my right hand is over the top, hand that's closest to the mace head is facing upwards, and then from there we do our squat. Usual cues apply with the squat, so keep the chest up nice and proud, straight line between the crown and the coccyx, thighs parallel with the floor if you can. Then from there, as we come up into that top position, we're going to perform a switch curl, and then a 180 rotational uppercut. Then we're going to perform a squat on the other side, and then we're going to do a switch curl, and then rotational uppercut off that other side. So we do our squat, then we're going to do our switch curl. From there, we're going to switch again, rotational uppercut. Okay, so I'm pivoting this hip, pivot that foot, squish the bug on that back foot, bring it back into the starting position. So I'll switch again. This time, I'm going to have the mace head on the right hand side of the body. Again, I do my switch curl, and then we're going to switch it again to the other side. Rotational uppercut off the other side, switch it back. So I've got the mace head on my left side, squat, switch curl, rotational uppercut, mace head on my right side, switch curl, rotational uppercut, mace head on my left side, and then just continue on. So if you're not too sure about the rotational uppercuts, go back into previous videos. I've done that exercise heaps, and I go into a lot of detail with that exercise. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our dangerously fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available on Amazon and through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.